win, but I don't know if you heard, you got Boonville next week, and they just upset Blair Oaks. What are you guys going to do to prep for them next week?
You know, like we do everybody, right? I mean, they put their pants on just like we put our pants on, and I mean, they're not Superman. I mean, they got holes and weaknesses just like everybody does, and you know, we're going to get down the drawing board tomorrow and you know, figure it out, you know, and that's all we can do. And you know, hey, they you know, Holden almost beat them 13-6, right? So you know, anything can happen, and you know, we got a good football team too. So, Coach.
I am so nervous. No, seriously though, we have one goal and one mission today, and that is to stick it to California. And this head coach that says we put our pants on the same way, I doubt he puts his pants on the way I do. Anyways, we have to make sure we don't get in over our heads with celebrating before we get the win. You guys already know about the Superman motif for the week. Our student section's coming Superman themed. We cannot afford to get embarrassed. Otherwise, last week was a fluke, the week before was a fluke. So let's just keep our eyes on the prize and focus on the mission. And I think we can come away with another win and add that to our streak.
3,000. We got the drip drops. We got the lemonade, the raspberry lemonade, the Gatorade. This is my third one probably. Water. We got till 5 or 6 of them. And then we got Big Bertha. This is our game day hydration. Dakota, you need to be hydrated too.
I've been hydrated.
That's right.
The air reeks of trouble. In a town not so much like our own, our heroes are in danger. The sinister stallions have lured them to their secret lair. Will Huff's platoon of playmaking pirates put on pressure in this predicament? Find out in this issue of with tensions reaching as high as the kickoff. The game is underway. Though things wouldn't start off great for our hometown heroes. An efficient 3 and out. Those pompous Pintos would try to reach 100 offensive snaps. That goal proved pointless against the powerful Pirate defense. They would only get 3. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Connor Acton on the blocked punt. Ethan Watson recovers. Now, in striking distance, we let our playmakers play. And put together the best drive so far. QB1 looking to punch it in is stood up at the plane by their prolific QB.
That was a goal line stand right there.
That would only last one play. Touchdown Pirates. 6-0.
1 yard run, taking 6:30 left here in this first quarter.
Y'all want to see a dead body?
Isn't it just beautiful? What a pretty picture.
Yeah, for a 2-point conversion there. It's good. 2-point conversion for Lomax brings the score to 8-0 with 6:20 left here in this game. I say 30. The PA announcers say 36, 35. It's 36. Got a bunch formation here. Single wing.
Again, California is on offense. They'd waste no time employing their pernicious plot. Then their persistence pays off. Again and again, on the ground. Our prolific Pirates are just surviving each play, waiting for a break. And then it comes. But what our band of pirates didn't realize is they got a breather too. The pass interference was just too much.
There's a handoff right up the middle, and he's going to be hit. He's hit short, but he pulls his way in for a touchdown and makes the score 8-6 here with 2:22.
The game is tied at 8. Still reeling backwards after the Pintos score, we went the wrong way.
Back for about a 5-yard loss. Brought down by number 7. Darius Brady's not in there. He's a valuable.
Until we give the ball to Jamison McKee. Able to score long touchdowns in a single play, he gives us the lead once again. Touchdown Pirates.
Wow, wow, wow.
Why not give him back to him? Why not hunt somebody? 16-8 it is. The weapon gets loose. He's running straight into the second quarter. Again, our weakness proves to be penalty flag. This time when we needed a big game. Welcome to no man's land. Can any hero escape 3rd and 33? Now that I'm sitting here thinking about it, did they ever stop running the ball? I suppose you can't blame them. Every time they try to change it up, one of our playmakers makes a play. So naturally, the villains go back to what works. And it continues to work. Man, water sounds really good right now.
Stand high, hand off number 2. He doesn't have it initially, but they're pushing the pile. He's got it. It's on the spot.
First down for the away team.
Real close.
Oh my gosh. Jameson.
Just dragging people down the field. Well, just short of the 45-yard line. Hell of a run there. Excuse my language.
With the power of 100 stiff arms. But again, penalties would be the problem for the Pirates. 4th and 34. Peyton Hahn is able to backdoor the play. Then Jameson Meade with the tackle. Quite possibly the most peculiar fake punt I've seen. Now, with 2 minutes left in the first half, we try to punish that choice and extend our own lead.
Nice run by Kade. We're out to the 45.
We press the same button too many times.
We'll hitch out here. Oh, big hit. Really tackled on.
The luckiest of lucky plays. One of the Pirates is able to pounce on the precious possession. With momentum on our side, we try to catch these villains off guard.
Intercepted inside the 10-yard line.
That is the last time we try that. And now, it's halftime. And now, poised to play once more, our heroic Pirates enter the second half.
Primary objective, stop the run.
So we bring out the big guns. Peyton Hahn on the sideline blitz gets a running start and makes an instant stop.
Objective complete.
Up a third down and 4. Berger's in there. Trying to pull the Pirates off sides. Handoff up the middle. And it is stopped short.
We'll take it from here.
That's a turnover on downs for the Pirates defense.
That is correct, Pirates.
If it doesn't work the first time, try again.
That's it. Left sideline. That's going to be a 51-yard touchdown run.
Dewan flies it to the end zone. Back-to-back superhuman plays. Jameson to the corner, faster than a speeding bullet. Golf star Abram Taylor would be back with a hole-in-one, fitting the gap 5 yards behind the line. A quick, painless 3-and-out. The punter even comes out. But this time, he pins us deep. We need space. Right now. But we wouldn't be able to generate that space. After the punt, they're still on our side of the field. Will the band of pirates be able to defend their end zone against the sinister stallions that approach? Somehow Ant-Man escapes our grasp.
Handoff 3. He'll get hammered there, but he falls forward.
Acted. Served him a pretty good hit at the line, but he surged forward. I don't know why they wouldn't.
Down 2 scores on the goal line. You knew they would go for it. So did we.
Tied in over the left, wings right, shooting back
Big
left.
play.
There's a snap, ball's handed off. He is hit, he's going to be short.
I don't think he got it.
Pirates going to take over on downs again. Ball down just inside the 5. They need to get down.
Now we just need Superman on offense.
Kade's ball is on. He bounces out.
Nothing. I don't think he got it.
So that's what kryptonite tastes like. Not a fan. Clearly a force field has been put up. Nobody has crossed our side of the field in 3 possessions. If we can't generate offense, defense is going to have to save the day.
They were in the backfield. Ellison on the tackle.
That was number 52. Played well.
That would be Abram Taylor.
Trying to get a piece.
He
For a quick pick 6.
yeah, that was close.
2 receivers right, single receiver back left. Back to throw. Throws the ball, heaves it.
Oh, nice catch.
That,
He's gonna
however,
go, right? That's trouble.
slipped our radar.
Oh, brought down by McKee.
Thanks for having our back, Jameson. It was then that we would face the greatest villain in football.
Let's take a 30-second timeout.
The Cramp.
The update here. Pirates leading 24-8.
Then our Pirates would make the treacherous trek across the field. 4th quarter.
10-yard line, 3rd down and 4 for the Pintos. Trying to take this score in.
Then even more walking as we draw the holding call.
Flag was 4, might be a hold. Not sure. 13 on the 18-yard line, I'll call it.
The refs throw flags back to back.
Right pass. Could be intercepted.
No.
Could be
Broke up by McKee.
It was a 50-50 ball.
Oh, we got a penalty. I think it got him for possibly unsportsmanlike, maybe.
This taunt would put them within 1 play of going from 1 score to a 1-score game.
Right there.
Luckily, our defense is Luke Cage. Can't nobody get through. Up 16 in the 4th. Ain't nothing to do but let it run. Wait, no, guys. We're supposed to go forward. In the worst case scenario, we take no time off the clock and they get deep field position. At least time is on our side. But of course, this was all just a part of the script. This way, the unbreakable pirate defense could swoop in and save the poor damsel in distress.
Here's the score again. Some people call the red zone right here. Here's the pitch out here to the right. Got room. Going to pick up about 8-9 yards on that play.
Number 3, Patterson on the carry.
Brings up a 2nd down and 2. Ball's on the right hash now. They're up there. John's on the tackle. All tight formation again with double wing. Handoff at the middle. Not going to get
Number
much.
2, Dunaway. Not much going.
Might be short. Going to bring up a 3rd down and 1. I don't know if Pirates can stop 2 times in a row here now, Dave.
Nope, that's tough, man. You're asking for a tall order here. That's short yardage they're dealing with.
9:24 left. Here's a snap. Handoff middle.
There's one.
Short. Going to be a 4th down again. No doubt about it. 4th and 1. 9-12 and counting.
Dunaway on the carry again.
He'll pull that ball one of these times and fake that handoff and go around the left side there for a touchdown.
They'll have him. Maybe that's what they're setting up here.
There's the handoff. He's
short. Big DJ Westlock on a
massive tackle. Huge tackle by DJ Westlock.
Now that's showing his D1 potential right there.
Wow, that was amazing.
He was on top of it.
Don't worry. That is game over. No way to come back now.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you a sneak peek of The Jameson Show.
He played quarterback first couple of years and then didn't, then back at it again a little bit.
Looks like he's doing it a little tonight.
Got two motion across, hand out, nope. Hand off Lomax.
From the destroyer to the perfect decoy.
Down that right sideline.
That's a touchdown.
Touchdown! 29-yard touchdown run by Lomax. Breaks this game open a little bit. Let a little breathing room with 6:12 here. 29-yard touchdown run by Lomax. Great job there. He tiptoed that sideline like.
And as the lights go off on another night, the prominent Pirates proved pugnacious against the puritanical Pintos in this pithy performance. Well done, gentlemen. Go home and celebrate your victory as we celebrate another beautiful story that has been told.